Here we have, or we started with the linear equations in standard form, and I told you that you have this homework. I will solve it now with you, okay, in order to check your answers, in order to check your mistakes. I will check it after the class. But let's see now. Yeah, let's see now. Let's see, girls. I will write any numbers as I want. Okay? And after I check it, no, I will solve it. Now, after I finish, now, as the line, it must be the same as I did. If it is not, there's something wrong. Even you choose any numbers. So let's now choose negative. So first of all, I will write here x. Oh my God.
What if I choose
X as you want. X plus y equals 1. Y and the pair of or coordinate, x, y coordinate as you want. Now x I want to choose -1, 2, -1, 0. Okay, and 1. Now, what do I have to do next? I will substitute -2 instead of x. So, -2 plus y equals 1. Then, bravo, plus 2. Plus 2. What I have to do, I will plot the numbers on the side and the variable on the other side. Then, y will be 1 plus 2, 3. So what's the point of y here? 3. So the first point, it will be -2, 3. So you will substitute now, -2 plus y equals 1. This is the first step. The second one now, what do we have? We have -1. So now, so what do you have to do, Yalayan? -1 and instead of what? Bravo. Plus أيوة equals what? 1. Yeah, let's do it here. -1 plus y equals 1. What do you have to do next? Bravo. Why to add 1? Because what is here? It's أيوة, so you put opposite of it. Yeah. So bravo. Then bravo. So y is 2. 1 plus 1, 2. So it will be -1, 2. This is the second point. The third one, يلا يا 0 plus y equals 1. So what's the value of y? 1. And Joey, think about it like number added to y is 1. So what's the value of y will be? 1. Is it clear? So the third one will be 0, 1. The last one. Yes, Tamara. 1.
So 1 plus
1 plus y,
y,
sorry.
y and equal 1.
So what's the value of y will be? 0. And the pair will be 1 and 0. Thank you. These are the points that I choose. If you choose any points, as you want. But the graph, it must be the same. Because it's for the same equation. Yes, now. Oh, what?
And the only thing matching with you in that table is 0 and 1.
Yeah, then no. We will draw the XY plane. Then we put the numbers as we know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, -2, -3, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. The first step now. Now, -2, 3. Where do you have to put -2, 3? And first of all, see, -2, the value of x is 2. Is it negative? So do I have to go to the right? How do I put it? I will remind you with grade 6. -2, what does it mean? That I mean in point, I am started from the origin, then I have to go to the left. Bravo. So I have to go here now. Then I am now, I have to go 3, up or down? Up. So here will be the point. This is the first point. The second one. The test, yes, you know, it will be multiple choice. So how it will be, I will give you the equation, and I will make for you 2 or 3 choices. You have to do it in your copy book, and you will choose which one is the correct. No, it's online. The second one, -1. If it is on the paper, as an example, I will put it here. -1, 2. How? But it's okay. I will make it with you in the revision sheet. Okay. -1, 2. Yeah. -1. Then we'll have to go up. So it will be here. This is the second one. The third one, 0, 1. As you know, if 0 or if x is 0, what do I mean? That's mean I am here. Then I will go. So yeah, stay on x-axis. Then you go up. So you will be here. So every time, remember that if x is 0, so it is on the y-axis. If y is 0, it will be on the x-axis. If y is 0, it is on the x-axis. If x is 0, it will be on the y-axis. Now then, the second one, 1, 0. What does it mean? I have to go 1 to the right. Then y is 0, so stop here. So here will be the fourth one. Then after you finish, you must connect between these 4 points.
Mine only has 3 points because.
Okay, at the least you have to choose 3. Yeah. But now, let's see. All of you, you must have the same line. If you put it like this is wrong. If you put it like this is wrong. It must be as the same as this one. What do you mean by how? No, there's something wrong. 0, 1, 3. 3 plus -2, it's supposed to be 1. Yes, okay. Half and half, it's 1. So that means something wrong. So 0, 1, 1, 0. This one and this one. 3, -2. And half, it's 2. Half, it's 2. So when you construct between them, it's 2 half. Okay? Yes, Prof.
And the x, so it's y.
Yes, Prof. Let's make it for you now.
Teacher, why is 6 wrong?
Because it's not related for us for it. X plus y equals 1. It has only this graph.
نحسب انه يعني اي واحدة صارت زي كذا غلط.
Yeah. So if the choices like in the test, this one, and this one is the correct.
يعني احنا نحسب ونشوف ايش الكوريكت.
Yes.
يعني لو كانت يعني answer ثاني وطلعت زي كذا يعني
Yes. I'm teaching math in رياضيات, so speak in English.
والله ليه ما الانسان يرتاح؟
You solve it?
يعرف كل المعلومات.
Teacher, let's start.
عندها عشر. Stop talking. يلا. ما شاء الله. إيه؟ برافو. Yes. Did you solve it? يلا. يلا. Now let's talk about something which we call it the X and Y intercept. What do I mean by X and Y intercept? The line which I drew. Where is it cut the X-axis? We call it the X intercept. And where, or at which point it cuts the Y-axis, we call it the Y intercept. Intercept. So I will repeat. The point where is the line cut the X-axis, we call it X intercept. And the point where is the line cuts the Y-axis, what we call it? Y intercept. That's it? So the X intercept, it is the X point or the X coordinate where the graph cuts or intersects the X-axis. Will Y, where is it cut? The Y-axis. Now let's see this example. This one here. Okay, look at this line. This line, does it intersect the X-axis or the Y-axis? The Y-axis. Where is it? What is the X? Or what is the Y coordinate? 2. Bravo. So I will say at Y equals 2 is the Y intercept. Yes, the point, you mean. The point, where is it cut? The X-axis. Exactly. The Y.
But teacher, without saying if it's in the Y-axis, it's like if you want to get the answer of 2, or like if you want to get the answer of Y, it's gonna go 2. So Y is the intercept without even knowing if it's on the line.
Sorry, I didn't understand your question.
Teacher, like, can we know it only from like if we saw like Y equals 2, that means it's on the Y intercept.
I didn't understand. What do you mean?
Teacher, if like now if you say Y equals 2, okay?
It's okay.
Now, if you said Y equals 2, can we know if it's Y intercept?
Yes, I told you
saying
Y is 2 because since Y, the Y intercept is 2, so it is the Y intercept. But this one, as an example here, the second graph, what do we have? We have X intercept and we have Y intercept because the line intersects the X axis and the Y axis. So what about the X intercept? At which point?
Teacher, your voice is really laggy.
Maybe you have a
Teacher, I can't hear you properly.
But now,
Teacher,
can you hear
your
me? I
voice
will
is very
try to
laggy.
raise your voice. Now here, the X
Teacher,
intercept.
it comes and goes.
Teacher, it lags.
So, because what can I do?
No, teacher, your voice is not lagging.
Sorry?
You have a problem. Your voice
Now
is not
it's
lagging.
not, but before.
Now, all of you, do you have a problem with my voice?
Not me.
Before, but not now.
It's okay. Maybe let me check your internet connection. So the x-intercept. Now, where is the line cut to the x-axis? At which point? 3. Bravo. So here you have 1, 2, and 3. So it's cut the x-axis at 3. Bravo. Now, where is the y-intercept? No, not 2. Another one. 3. Where is the y-intercept? 3. Bravo. And where are you? Yes. Yes, bravo. Now, like the example you graphed before, can you tell me what is the x-intercept? No. In the previous one, in the x plus 1. 1, bravo. And the y-intercept?
1.
It's x and y. What is the x-intercept? Yes, bravo. No, in the previous one. That's the one you graphed today. Exactly. Okay, what is the point? What is the point? 1. And the y-intercept? It's 1, 2. Bravo. So both of the x and y, it's 1. It must be straight. It's a line. No, if it is the same, no, there's something later on. You will talk about it.
They must be like
Yeah.
they must be like each other.
No.
They must be because each other.
No, they mustn't be. For this line, for this equation, if you change it, it's still the same. But another one, it could be like this. It must be still. طيب, it's okay. It could be like this. Not the same. No, how it's the same? How 2 and 2? 3 and negative 3.5.
Yeah, but it's the same number.
No.
Look, you can't.
Yeah, Mama, Allah, no. طب, just a minute. Yes.
Now, if we have
So what do we have this one?
point in the x-intercept, the y will equal the x,
No, it's not.
then y will equal.
This is an example. Look at this one here. So what about this one? Yeah, this one. What about you? What is the x-intercept? The x-intercept. Yes. Yes. So the x-intercept at point 8. Thank you, Layal. Where's the y-intercept? Between 2 and 4. Yes, bravo. So the y-intercept at 4. So look at this one here. One is at 8 and one is at 4. They are not the same. So where is the x-intercept here? At which point? 8. And the y-intercept? At 4. Bravo. Yeah, this is the first. Now then we have, if we have equation, we will learn how to find the x and y intercept. Yes. What about the last one? Here. Ranim. Yeah. What about the x?
Teacher, can I answer after Ranim?
Okay, Maria, I will let you. Where's the x-intercept? At which point?
Oh, now I don't understand what you mean.
Negative. Bravo, thank you. Maria.
Yes.
Yes, Maria. Where is the y-intercept?
In -3.
Negative 3. Bravo. Where is the y-intercept? Here. Where is the y-intercept? -3. Bravo. So did you understand now what do I mean by the y and x-intercept? Where the line cuts the x and the y. Yes. حاضر يلا. I don't know what about this keyboard. Just a minute. Where's the plus sign? The XY coordinate plane أو XY plane. Here it's infinity, it's continuous. Here it's a line segment. Here it's a line segment. So it's from here to here.
What is the biggest number in the world?
There is no. Yes, it doesn't stop. Yeah. Now this is here. Just a minute. Now. Yeah. Yeah, let's continue. Now, this is number 22 in your book. Okay? Now, who wants to answer? Line.
Me, teacher, I'm Yara.
Yes, Yara. What about the X intercept? Oh, sorry. Now, see. Now, I will, let's say 2 or 4. I will write the XY coordinate. Yeah, let's see. So for the X intercept. Yes, Yara.
Intercepts 2 and
What about the coordinate of this point? 2 what?
2 and 1 minute, teacher.
If a point is on the x-axis, so y will be what?
Zero.
No, if the point is on the x-axis, y is 0.
But that's
So what about, how do you know, what is the coordinate of this point?
isn't 2 is the axis of
2 is x. Okay, what about y? It's 0. It says, no, not at the y. I'm talking about the x intercept.
Didn't understand this one. Teacher.
No, just this is for the x intercept. At which point it's got the x-axis? At 2, 0.
The y will be 0 if it's on the x-axis.
Yes.
Teacher, I don't understand this one. What do you mean? Like y is 0?
Yeah, look about this point. X is 2. What about y?
These are the coordinates of y.
The
Exactly.
negative teacher.
Negative what?
Teacher, y is negative 6. It's not 0.
No. I'm not talking about y intercept. I'm talking about the coordinate of the x intercept.
Because it's on the of the x, not on the y.
What do you mean, teacher? I still don't get it.
Here, if I ask you about the coordinate of this point, what do you have to tell me? This one.
It's 4.
4. This is the meaning of coordinate. It's ordered pair.
Okay. Sorry. I understand now.
The point is here. This one, another example. Another example. I told you what's the meaning of coordinate point. Okay. هلا. What do I mean by ordered pair? Ordered pair. It is. You have to open 2 brackets. The first is for x and the second one for y. The first one for x and the second one for y. This is the meaning of ordered pair. Do you know how to name the ordered pair?
Yes.
Oh no. Yes. What do you mean by ordered pair? Ordered pair, it is a location of the point. Where is this point located? You will make a line, cut the x-axis, cut the y-axis, You will write the first point, which is 4, and the second one, which is 2. Here, if it is on the x-axis, it's okay? So where is the point that cut the x-axis? At which point? This line, where does it cut the x-axis? At which? 2. So that means x is 2. Now, where is it? And if it is, remember that. If a point is on the x-axis, so that means y is 0. Here there's something, and here y is 0. It must be. So that's
because it's in the line, not
exactly. If it is the point on the y-axis, so how the coordinate will be x is 0, and here you have to write something. Now what about the y-intercept? Yes, يا أمور. أيوة يلا. Now what is here? What is the y-intercept? At which point it cuts the y-axis? Negative 6. Bravo. So on the y you will write negative 6, and on the x what you have to write? 0. If it is on the y-axis, so that's mean x is 0 and y it's negative.
So it means if it's in the x-axis, so it will be y-axis, it will be 0.
Yeah.
And in
the y-axis, x is 0. Yes, I want something like this. Bravo. Yes, this is how to find the x and y intercept. Now, Hala. Yes, Hala. Here. This is number 53. What about the x intercept? 2. 0. Bravo. Thank you. Online, who wants to answer?
Me, teacher, I am Maria.
Yeah.
Either, no, it's wait, Maria. Other one.
I'm Nada.
Who wants to answer?
Me.
What's your name?
Nada.
Nada, yes, Nada. Nada, أنت are here. يلا يا Nada. Y intercept.
Y 04. 04.
Bravo. 0, 4. Thank you.
why not 4 0?
Because the y is on the y.
Teacher, هذا هو 0 دائما
صار بشيء أو ما في.
يمكن
يلا. Now, so you have to be differentiate now. X intercept cut what? X intercept cut what? X axis. Y intercept Y axis. If this is the first thing, if it is on the X axis, so Y is what?
0.
If it is on the Y axis, X is what? 0. Fine. Now, let's hear something. Another one, yeah. Yeah, we have to start from this. Now look at this one here. This after in your time. Yeah, now determine the X. And now look at this one. Now here what do we have? Yalla. What do we have? Jury. Yeah. Here, I want to find now the X and Y intercept, but from the equation. I don't have a graph.
We will draw the graph.
No. It's hard. What do you have to do? Look at me. Come on now.
My brain is
To find, listen to me. To find that, I'll take your place. To find the X intercept from the equation, make, I will not make, let's say, let me continue.
X intercept is 2, y is 5. So when we add them, it will be
intercept, you will let y 0.
Yes.
Okay? You will let y 0. Then you will substitute y with 0 and then find x. Just a minute, just a minute.
One equals 0.
So to find the x intercept, let y equals 0. This is the first step. The second step, substitute y with 0 to find x. Then write the coordinate as, since y is 0, write 0y here and here write the number. Let's see here. Let's do the first one, number 16. How I will find the x intercept?
May I teacher?
No, just a minute, please. I want to explain it. No. X intercept, what do I have to do? This is my equation. 2x minus 5y equals 10. This is my equation. I told you to find the x intercept, let y 0. Where is y? This is y. Put here 5 times 0 minus 2x equals 10.
So we will find the value of x and then we will add them. So it's it. It's it.
Here we have 2x. Not 8, wait. 2x minus 0, 2x. So 2x equals what? 10. So x equals, divide by 2. Divide by 2, so x is 5.
Teacher, so this is right. So now x depends on y.
Wait, no, just. So x is what to find. The x intercept, make y 0. X intercept, make y 0. Substitute, you will find x. So what the answer will be? 5, y is 0. This is for the x intercept. This is for what? Just a minute. This is for what? The x intercept. Now, how you will find the y intercept? The opposite steps. Y intercept, let x 0. Then substitute x with 0 to find y. To find y. Then after you did it, you will find the right x. So x is 0, y you have to find it. So what you have to do?
2 multiply
2 multiply 0 minus 5 y.
Then we will divide it by 2.
Why? There's a lecture for you. Lecture. محاضرة يعني. يلا. Just a minute. Let's continue. Here. So first, y intercept. Let x equals 0. So if x is 0, you will find y.
Then why we put
No, this is for the first. This is for x intercept. But I want to find now the y intercept. Now, did you finish writing here?
yeah.
From y, this is for the x intercept. Okay, so here, the x intercept is what? 5, 0. Yeah, now let's find the y intercept.
Why is there no copy paste thing in that thing? Like teacher, if you want to
How I will find the y intercept? Make what now? X is 0. 2 times 0 minus 5y equals what? Equals 10.
Now we will divide it by 2.
Wait, something.
0 minus 5x equals
Now, 0 minus negative y
5y.
is still negative 5y.
Wait. Why can't you do 0 minus 5y? We couldn't do 0 minus 5%.
Okay, but 0 minus, what do I say? 0 minus 1, negative 1. So 0 minus negative 5y, negative 5y. So negative 5y equals what? 10. Divide by negative 5. By negative 5. So y is what now? Negative 2. So what's the value will be? 0.
0.5.
Negative 2. This is the y. Yes, no. So the x-intercept is 5, 0. Now, if you connect with the graph, we told you now on the graph that the x-intercept, it must be x0, while y-intercept, it must be 0y. Here, the x-intercept, it must be x0, while y-intercept, 0y. This is the point. This is not 5. X-intercept is 5, 0, and the y-intercept is 0, negative 2. But don't say 5 and negative 2. If you say x equals 5 for the x-intercept, y equals negative 2 for the y-intercept. No. X-intercept different and y-intercept different and y-intercept. Don't say 5 negative 2. 5 negative 2, it will be another thing. Okay, yeah. طب يلا hurry up. Let's do number 17. طب let's do now number 17, okay, in order to get the idea. Then I will give you number 19, 20, 21 as homework. يلا. I will. Did you finish writing?
Yeah.
Everything?
It is only
Yeah. Number 17. X-intercept. 2x minus y equals 4. The y-intercept for the 2x minus y equals 4. يلا يلا يا جوي. X-intercept. What does it mean?
X intercept the y is 0.
Y is 0. Bravo.
The first thing is y 0. Now multiply.
2x minus 0 is 2x equals what? Equals 4. Divide by x is what? 2. So what is the x-intercept coordinate will be?
2
Bravo. Thank you so much. Another one. يلا يا تمارا. Yes. Yes يا تمارا. Sorry, but I want to move from. Yes. يلا 2x minus y equals 4.
So it will be 2
So if a y-intercept, bravo, x is 0.
minus y equals 4.
0 minus y,
4.
negative. Don't forget the negative one. Negative y equals 4. So y equals what? Negative 4. Bravo. So what about the point will be?
0 and 4.
Negative 4. Thank you so much. That's it. You get the idea? Do you have any question? So you can find the x and y intercept from the graph and from the equation. Now you have 19, 20, 21 as a homework.
Teacher,
Okay?
we still have the workbook.
And this is the homework.
When you move to
The slope. Okay. The x and the. If it is a plus, it's okay. No, but don't move. يعني just say 0 plus y, so it's y. The same, but without the negative.
Teacher, can we leave?
Okay.
Can I leave?
No, they have a lecture.
Lena?
Yeah.
Lena?
ولا for me?
لا.
ولا for me يعني?
Teacher, which page?
Which page? Girls, which page? Girls, which page?
Page 18. My